we're going to explain how to sort data within a pivot table. Pivot tables are incredibly powerful for summarizing and analyzing data, and sorting is a key feature to make that analysis easier to understand. First, ensure you have a pivot table created. If you don't already have one, select your data and go to the Insert tab, then click Pivot Table. Now, locate the field you want to sort. It'll be listed in the Pivot Table Fields pane, usually on the right-hand side of your Excel screen. This pane shows all the fields available from your source data. 3. Next, decide what you're sorting by. You can usually sort by row labels, column labels, or values. For example, if you have a pivot table showing sales by region, you might want to sort by region name, row labels, to see sales from highest to lowest performing area, or perhaps by total sales, values, which would show the regions with the highest and lowest sales. Or, to actually do the sorting, click on the field you want to sort. If you want to sort rows, click on the row label you want to change. Columns, click a column header. If you are sorting values within a column, it's a bit more specific. You have to find the value you want to change within the column and click on it. Once the field is selected, you'll see several options appear, either in a right-click menu or a small drop-down arrow. Choose Sort. 6. Excel will provide options for sorting in ascending order, A to Z, smallest to largest, or descending order, Z to A, largest to smallest. Select your preferred order. 7. Note that sorting affects the order of the rows or columns within the pivot table, but it doesn't change your original source data. Your original data remains untouched. 8. If your data has subtotals or grand totals, the sorting usually takes these into account. For example, if you sort by region based on sales, the subtotal for each region will move along with the data for that specific region. You can also sort multiple fields at once, for instance. You could sort first by region and then by product within each region. This would give you a sorted list by regions, then within each region, the products are listed in ascending or descending order depending on the chosen sorting method. This layered approach is useful for in-depth analysis. 10. Finally, remember that sorting is dynamic. If you refresh your pivot table, which pulls new data from your source, the sorting will be reapplied automatically based on your existing sorting instructions. This keeps your pivot table analysis always up to date